These AI videos of skeleton animals are becoming very viral these days, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do it. So first of all, we need to go to novoads.ai, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we are going to go to the image section. Now here where it says describe your image, we are going to paste the following prompt, and now in settings we're going to choose the model GPT Image 2 and the quality medium. This because it's much cheaper than the high quality. So now we have to click here, and now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have 3 images, and we have to choose one of them. Personally, I liked this one, so now we have to download it, and now we have to go to the video section. Now here we have to use the Sedans 2 model, and here we are going to paste the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section as the other prompt. So now we have to click here, and now we have to upload the image that we downloaded. Perfect. Finally, we have to click here, and now in generate. And finally, now we have to wait more or less 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video, so let's see it.
What happens inside your dog when it drinks water? Almost 3/4 of its body depends on staying perfectly hydrated. But there's one detail almost no one knows, and it changes everything.
Well, I don't know what you think, but it looks really good. Actually, personally, I like it more than those videos that are becoming very viral in the social media. So now, if you like it, you could do this video with the prompts that are going to be in the comment section, and you can try novoads for just $1. And then if you don't like it, you just can cancel anytime. So you can try it without risk. And well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.